Page 19, Autumn. On page 18, we're going to do what we did in the previous video on the right hand. Now we're going to do it with the left hand. We have notes written in the bass clef, and you need to memorize those notes. You can put your thumb on middle C, and that's your hand position. Call it an F position because the bottom note is F. You didn't need to know that, but okay. And the names of the notes are there. Well, I already told you about the F because of the F clef. It's the next to the top line. It's between the dots. That's F. And you can calculate from there G, A, B, C. That's fine. And you know middle C is the little line above the staff. That's middle C. So you got those two. You just need to memorize these others. Memorize these notes as quickly as you can, please. It will help you. So on Autumn, on page 19, what we can do is we simply say the name of the note and we play it. And we just don't worry about tapping or none of that. We're just here. So you're starting out with second finger on B, so it's a B. B, 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 C, B, B, C, B, 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 C, B. Isn't this fun? And you go through the whole thing and say the name of the note. You don't have to go that fast. You go your speed. Just drill yourself on the names of the notes and try and focus on the note itself and not the letter name in the music. It's too easy just to read the letter name. No, you need to read the note and know what the letter name is, and that's what I'm after here. Then we can look at the piece on the taps because it tells us how long to hold it down. And I'll let you do that. You just go through and play through it and learn it. Nice and slow, it doesn't matter how fast you go, but the tapping has to be a steady beat, a steady tapping. Then come back and play it with me, and we'll check and make sure you have the right notes and the right longs and shorts, we call rhythm, that you're correct on that. See, if you had a teacher and you got a wrong note or something, they would let you know. But if you're doing it without a teacher, how do you know you hit a wrong note? That's the problem. So do it with me, play with me, and you can hear, I hope, whether you play the same note I do or not. At the same time I do or not. And that way it'll tell you, oh, I got a note wrong or something's off or something. And help that way. But try and learn it first and then play it with me. Don't try and learn it by playing with me. That's backwards, and it slows your learning down if you do that. So try and learn it first on your own. So I'll give us 4 counts. 4, I'll go 1, 2, ready, go. And then we play this together. So go ahead and put your hand in F position or here. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Tap, tap. Tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap.